Welcome to super awesome trick to unstick sticky trampoline frame. Exhibit A. Look, I can't do it. Even lubed. Too hard. Twist. I have ratchet strap. Here is ratchet. Here is strap. Zzz. Together, ratchet strap. Secret weapon for the disassembling of hard to disassemble trampoline frame and 1% of $1,000 from your nearest and dearest capitalist hardware store. First, throw ratchet. Then, hook strap. B-roll. Keep tension on strap so hook stays on. Walk towards ratchet. Opposite side. Attach ratchet. Can do this way. Good. Can do that way. Also good. Tricky part. Get strap stay in ratchet. Fold with slack and push through gap. Fail? Try again. Push further through gap. You got it. Okay, start ratchet. Wait! We've had fun today, but right now is a segment I like to call serious safety time. When using the ratchet strap, stand on the inside of the frame. You'll be putting the frame pieces under even more tension than they're normally under. So when one of them pops out, it will fling fastly and solidly and angrily in an outwards direction. If you're standing on the outside, you could be struck in a sensitive area, which is pretty much any area when a hard piece of galvanized steel hits you. So please, stand on the inside of the frame. Okay, run it, Larry. Don't listen to that guy. Just ratchet, ratchet, ratchet till the frame starts to come together. But the trick here is to not go too far. You want it just tight enough that the frame slips out of the joiner. So just give it a quick check every couple of ratchets and soon it'll pop right out of there. And the rest of your job, easy peasy. The frame's no longer under tension, so the rest of the pieces will just slide right out. Now just make sure you roll up your ratchet strap nice and neat for next time. Thank you.